Welcome to the crime scene. No bodies, just empty wallets. Your purchasing power is dead, and the killer is still on the loose.
Meet Joe. He works hard and pays his taxes. But today, Joe realized his money is becoming absolutely worthless.
In the past, one coin fed a village. Today, you need a wheelbarrow of cash just to buy a snack. This is inflation.
So what is it? Bad luck? Corporate greed? Or is it just a hidden tax the government hopes you won't notice? To find the criminal, find the weapon. Here it is, the infinite money printer. It goes brrr, and your savings go bye-bye.
If you slice it into a million tiny pieces, you don't get more pizza. You just get crumbs.
That is inflation. Printing trillions doesn't create wealth. It just shrinks the value of every dollar you already own.
Back in time, money was real. Gold, silver, heavy rocks. You couldn't fake it. To get money, you had to do honest work.
Then came 1971. The rules changed. Money was disconnected from gold. Once money became paper, the trap was set. Why tax angry citizens when you can just print the cash you need in secret? It is the perfect robbery. You sleep with $100, you wake up with 100. But overnight, they lost their buying power.
House prices aren't rising because houses are better. They rise because the dollar is crashing. The measuring stick is broken.
Experts call it transitory. Don't believe the monkey in the suit. He's the one holding the remote control to the printer. Food, gas, rent. The basics explode first. The rich are fine, but Joe is watching his savings burn at the pump. The rich know the secret. Don't hold cash. Hold assets. Gold, stocks, real estate. Things the government cannot print.
Meanwhile, savers get punished. You saved for a rainy day, but the inflation flood washed it all away instantly.
Cheap money blows up a bubble. Everyone feels rich for a moment, but bubbles always pop. And it gets messy.
We are consuming more than we produce. It is a party funded by a credit card that our children will have to pay off.
If printing continues, we enter the nightmare zone, hyperinflation, where you need a backpack of cash just to buy bread.
Is it hopeless? No, but you must wake up. Stop thinking in dollars. Start thinking in value. Use your monkey sense.
Who controls this mess? The central bank. Sounds boring, but it holds more power than any standing army. They say your money is safe in the vault. Spoiler, it's not. They lent it out the moment you walked in. This is fractional reserve banking, a fancy way of saying, we create money from nothing and charge you interest.
The system runs on debt. If everyone paid their debts today, the entire money supply would vanish instantly.
Muffled help!
When the economy slows, they lower rates. Cheap money floods in. Everyone borrows. It's a party!
But when inflation gets too hot, they hike the rates. The party stops. Loans get expensive. It is a designed crash.
Meanwhile, the government is addicted to spending. The national debt is so big, your great-grandmonkeys will still be paying it. This is the Cantillon Effect. The rich get the new money first to buy assets. You get it last, after prices skyrocket.
Ever noticed your chip bag is mostly air? That's shrinkflation. Same price, less product. A sneaky way to rob you.
Or skimpflation. Companies swap good ingredients for cheap garbage to keep prices low. You aren't just poorer, you're eating worse.
They measure inflation with the CPI. But if steak gets expensive, they swap it for hot dogs in the data. They lie.
Inflation is 3%.
They say inflation is only 3%. Try telling that to your grocery bill. The official numbers are a complete joke.
Your wages might go up, but inflation goes up faster. You are running on a treadmill, sweating, but never moving forward.
Inflation is the cruelest tax because you don't vote for it. It hits the poor hardest, while the rich get richer.
The system is rigged to punish savers. If you keep your wealth in cash, you are literally working for free.
But the endgame is scarier. Central bank digital currencies, programmable money, total control over what you can buy.
Imagine money that expires if you don't spend it. Or money that stops working if you buy too much meat.
Cash is freedom because it is private. Digital currency is surveillance. They will know every single banana you buy.
The trap is closing. But there is an exit door. You have a choice. Keep playing their rigged game and lose, or learn the rules of wealth and reclaim your freedom.
Solution 1. Gold. It has survived every empire collapse in history. It is the ultimate insurance policy against stupidity.
Solution 2. Real estate. Land is limited. They can print trillions of dollars, but they cannot print more earth.
Solution 3. Hard assets. Stocks, commodities, crypto. Anything that requires real work and energy to produce.
The goal is simple. Get out of the currency that is melting and convert it into assets that hold their value.
But the best asset is your brain. Financial literacy is the only vaccine against the virus of inflation.
Look at Joe now. He stopped saving cash. He invests. He owns things. He is no longer a victim of the system.
The government will not save you. The bank is not your friend. You must become your own central bank.
It's a jungle out there. The monkeys who learn adapt. The monkeys who don't get eaten by inflation.
Don't let your hard work vanish into thin air. Wake up, stutter money, and protect your bananas.
Subscribe to Monkey Sense. We don't give financial advice, we just give you the truth. Stay wealthy.